Yo, what time is it?
4:20, nigga.
Yo, you got that sour?
Hell yeah, I got that sour.
Shit, you know what time it is?
Sour
hour. Let's do this. This is my party song, you know. Take it faster, take it slow. Twist it up and like that dro. Still want shots of Jaeger though. Freaky bitches on the flow. Sucking dick or licking slow. Hold on, make a video. Sour hours, back for more. Creeping up on the low. Looking on my shoulder, blunt to go. Spark that shit and hit this road. Mind is gone, but where'd it go? Bottles of Jaeger on the flow. Cake steams up and ready to go. Sour hours, back for more. Sour hours, here, let's go.
Sour hour. Roll it up, smoke to the dome. This shit got you spinning like you was a motherfucking cyclone. No, we don't be smoking zone, cause our brains is just too prone. Now I'm taking sour to the dome, cause the shit's just part of my motherfucking bones. And I'm fucking stoned, and my mind is gone. I'm sipping on Patron. Now your bitch is giving me dome in the middle of my house, but I call it my home. And yes, I'm stoned. And thanks to your girl, by the end of the night I won't be home alone. Pledge allegiance to the sour. From my heart I take its power. I stay still stoned. Now this hour, God bless the power of sour.
Sour hour, sour hour, sour hour.